Hello and welcome everyone. As days go by, one realizes how much we are caught up in firefighting this rat race of our lives. We have lost all individualism in the bargain. We have lost all independence in the bargain, and we really don't realize it. We are constantly trying to ape someone or something. We are trying to ape this one and we are trying to ape that one, and there are so many facades that are built up. But this actually begins right from childhood. Have you ever noticed that we are born actors? Yes, we are. Since childhood, we are being told, do not do this in the school, do not do this at auntie's house, do not do this in the neighborhood, which means the child imprints, all right, I cannot do this in the school, but I can surely do it at home. Or I cannot do this at this auntie's house, but I can surely do it somewhere else. And the child starts acting. The child starts putting up these facades, these masks of being something he is not. And we all grow up to be these great masked people all our lives. And in this masking that constantly goes on, we lose our individualism. We forget who we truly are. So come, let's get to our angels and seek within that true self which we have lost connect with. Let's see what is the guidance for the day. And we shall seek guidance from the beautiful Archangel Oracle deck. And the beautiful message for the day is career transition. The angels, especially Archangel Chamuel, is aiding you with this beautiful transition. There are many of you who might be contemplating moving to a different career, moving to a different stage of life, moving ahead with something. The angels guide you, nothing to fear. There is absolutely nothing to worry about. And you need to just beautifully move ahead with everything that they are nudging you with. Look upon the signs that they are giving you. There is distinctively each and every step that is being nudged in your tangible world. Maybe you're missing the point. Maybe you're missing some important conversations and meeting some important people. Go out there, meet people, talk about your goals, talk about the things that you really want to do, talk about the transition that you may be feeling in the innermost being of yourself, and then slowly move towards its manifestation. Archangel Chamuel and your guardian angels tell you that through this transition in our careers, there is a hidden blessing, and this blessing is due to the intrinsic connection with this career transition with your life purpose. Each one of us has this life purpose which is as unique as our own fingerprints. And we need to understand that people can walk around us, with us, behind us, in front of us. But there is no one who can walk this path for us. It is only we who need to make these little changes in our life that shall move us to our blessed career, to our blessed work, moving towards our life purpose and serving the world at large. And now, coming to the universal color of the day. The angels say that the color for the day is dark blue. So see what you can do with this wonderful color, which denotes protection, determination and strong will. We would like to inform all our loving angel fans once again that our workshop this weekend is the last batch for 2015. And tomorrow is the last day for its registrations. So if you wish to join us, fill the Reach Us form on our website from the slate towards the end of the episode and be with us on 5th and 6th of December. Until then, have a great week ahead. Stay blessed, loved and protected in love and light, and Godspeed.